In this video, we'll show you how to change the transfer case fluid on your Chevy Silverado. You can find the right transfer case fluid on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Chevy Silverado safely. Lift the front and rear of your vehicle, allowing your Chevy Silverado to be level so that you can remove all of the fluid. Place a fluid collection tray under the transfer case so to catch the fluid that will flow out. For this kind of operation, it is important to always start by unscrewing the filler hole plug, because if it remains stuck after draining the fluid, the vehicle will be immobilized. Unscrew the filler hole plug using a ratchet and an 18mm socket. Start the process with the ratchet and finish it off by hand. Do the same on the drain plug. Be careful on the last few turns. The fluid can squirt suddenly. Let the fluid run out for about 10 minutes. Clean the drain plug well because it is magnetic and there is often grime left on it.
For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
Replace the drain plug with a new one. Then screw the plug back in. Start by hand, then finish off using a torque wrench. You can order the transfer case fluid used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Now you need to add fluid back into the transfer case. This step must be done with care and precision. Using an oil syringe or a bottle with a filling spout, fill the transfer case until the fluid overflows from the hole, indicating that you have added enough fluid. Now you can screw the filler cap back on. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Use paper towels to clean up any fluid overflow from the transfer case. Put your truck back on the ground. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.